Crescendo, the full bloom fanfare. As our sunflower stars hit their full, glorious bloom, their water needs reach a crescendo. This is their prime time, and keeping up with their hydration ensures they stand tall, proud, and vibrant. But remember, even at peak performance, our golden performers dislike soggy feet. Maintain the deep watering ritual, adjusting only to the applause of rain from Mother Nature herself. Encore, more wisdom on watering. Through each stage of growth, from tender seedlings to majestic blooms, remember that the water symphony is a responsive one. Adjust your watering based on rainfall, temperature, and the unique thirst of your sunflower variety. Like any good conductor, watch your performers closely, respond to their needs, and lead them towards a standing ovation under the sun. The journey of watering sunflowers is a dance of intuition, care, and joy. Fast forward, your sunflower is reaching for the skies, living its best life out in the field. But is there trouble in paradise?